How to fix Instagram lag on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can fix the lag for Instagram on your Android phone. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. So let's say that you're using the Instagram application, you have been facing some kind of bugs, or you're facing some lags because it might not be scrolling properly, you're not being able to send a message, you're not being able to audio call anybody. It could be happening due to multiple reasons. So first, what I want you to do is long press on the Instagram icon over here and you'll enable these options. Just tap on the I button. So you can see this little I icon next to the app icon, so just tap on it. And basically you'll be taken to the app information page. Over here you have to actually scroll down to the bottom and select storage. Once you select storage, clear the cache files. If possible, also try to clear the data. This will delete all of your login data and it will reset the Instagram app, so most likely it is possible that you have to log in again. After that, try to force stop the application and open it up and see if that fixes the issue. If it doesn't, the other reason could also be due to lack of update. So just go ahead and then launch your Play Store, and in the search box you just want to go ahead and then type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, check whether or not the Instagram app has an update available. If it does have, then I want you to go ahead and then update it to the latest version. Last but not the least, if you're on Android and even if after you try all of these things it doesn't fix your issue, it could be that your device has low memory and low RAM and low storage left on your Android phone, which means that Instagram app actually requires lots of storage, up to 200 to 300 MB, even though the application says it's only up to 40-50 MB when it's downloaded. After downloading, the data and everything is going to consume lots of space. So instead, what I would recommend you do, if you do not have a good memory in order to run the Instagram app, I'll just recommend you to actually use the Instagram Lite version, so which basically also has as many features as the Instagram application, and it is only up to 2 megabytes, which means it will not consume any space or data. You can just go ahead and install this app, use this app, and most likely this is also going to get your job done. Hopefully this video helped answer the question as to how you can go ahead and then fix lag on Instagram on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.